How to log out from all devices in Amazon Prime. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log out from all devices in Amazon Prime. For this, you want to open the Amazon Prime app on your device. Now, if you want to log out, you simply want to tap on the My Stuff option at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will find your watch list over here. If you want to switch profiles, you can tap on the Switch Profiles option over here and simply switch your profile. Now you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you have different options such as stream and download, notifications, autoplay, parental control, registered devices, clear video search history, and my account. Now tap on the one that says my account. If you want to sign out from this device only, tap on the sign out option. But remember that all Amazon apps on this device will also be signed out. So go ahead and tap on the sign out option. Now, if you want to sign out of the all devices as well, you can head back and tap on this registered devices option. Here it says that these are the devices registered to your account. If you see any one that you no longer use, you can simply tap on the sign out option over here. So go ahead and tap on the sign out option individually for all of this. And once you tap on the sign out option for all of this, then you will be successfully logged out from all devices in Amazon Prime. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.